Too many men waste time on women who do see them only as friends. Getting stuck in the friend zone is frustrating and exhausting. You invest time and energy, hoping she will eventually feel the same way. But the harsh truth is that if a woman truly likes you, she will show it. Staying in the friend zone only lowers your self-esteem and holds you back from finding someone who genuinely values you. In this video, I will hold you by your hand and expose 5 signs that will make you understand that you are in the friend zone. And I will also tell you what you should do about it. Recognizing these signs early will save you time, energy, and emotional stress. It is time to stop chasing after someone who does not appreciate you. Walk away and focus on women who want you from the start. 1. She boldly talks about other guys. If a girl constantly brings up other men, such as her ex or a guy she finds attractive, it is a sign she does not see you as anything more than a friend. A woman who is interested in you would avoid discussing other men because she would want to maintain your interest. If she feels comfortable telling you about her crushes, it means she does not see you as a romantic option. Many men think that by listening to her stories about other guys, they will eventually win her over. This is a mistake. When a woman sees you as a friend, she will not suddenly change her mind, no matter how supportive you are. In this case, you must stop being her emotional outlet. Distance yourself from the situation. If she does not see your value now, she never will. Move on and focus on someone who values your time and attention from the start. 2. She only calls when she needs something. If the only time a girl contacts you is when she needs a favor, she does not value you as a person. Whether she asks for advice, a ride, or help with errands, her actions show that she is using you for convenience. A woman who genuinely cares about you will reach out to spend time with you, not just when she needs something. Some men think that doing favors will make her appreciate them and change the way she feels. This is a waste of time. She already knows how you feel, and she will continue to use you for as long as you allow it. What you should do here is to stop being available for every request. If she only contacts you when it benefits her, tell her you are busy. Pay attention to how she reacts. If she stops contacting you entirely, she was only interested in what you could do for her. It is better to walk away and focus on building connections with people who value you. 3. She does not flirt with you, nor show affection. A woman who likes you will make it clear through her actions. She will flirt, give you compliments, or find excuses to touch you. If there is no physical contact or playful teasing, it is a sign that she does not see you romantically. Many men try to justify the lack of affection by assuming she is shy or does not know how to express her feelings. This is usually not the case. If a woman is interested, she will find a way to show it. No affection or flirting means no interest. My advice for you here is to stop chasing someone who gives you nothing in return. A real connection should feel natural, not forced. Focus on women who show genuine interest in you from the beginning. You deserve more than waiting for someone to change their mind. 4. She is always busy for you. If you are always the one initiating plans and she keeps canceling or making excuses, she is not interested. When a woman likes someone, she will make time for them, no matter how busy she is. If she is always too busy or unavailable, it means spending time with you is not a priority to her. A woman who values you will put in the effort to be around you, If she is always finding reasons to avoid meeting up, she is not invested in the connection. What you need to do in this kind of situation is to stop chasing her. Stop chasing after someone who cannot make time for you. If she is not willing to invest time and effort, you should not either. Respect yourself and walk away. Your time is valuable. Do not waste it on someone who does not care. 5. She says you are like a brother. If a woman tells you that you are like a brother to her, it is a clear sign that there is no romantic potential. This is the ultimate friend zone line, and there is no coming back from it. When she says this, it means she feels completely comfortable around you because there is no romantic tension. Some men hope that they can change her mind over time, but this will not happen. Once she sees you as a brother, she will never see you as anything else. It is better to accept it and move on. In this case, do not waste any more time. If she sees you as a sibling, it is time to walk away. Focus on finding someone who sees you as a romantic partner, not just a friend or brother figure. In conclusion, the friend zone is not a place where any man should stay. If a woman does not see your value from the start, she never will. Stop wasting your time chasing someone who does not care about you in the way you deserve. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself. Build your confidence, improve your lifestyle, and develop meaningful connections with people who appreciate your worth. When you know your value, the right women will be naturally drawn to you. Never settle to become someone as backup option. Walk away from women who do not respect you and find someone who wants you from the beginning. Thanks for staying till the end. Tell your friends about what we preach on this channel. See you in our next video.